Deadlock's here again, and today we have the pink Kyung Chang. We're going to see if they can beat the beef. What do you think, Mrs. D?
I reckon the beef will open them. No, yeah, I think that's right. I reckon they'll open from the beef. Oh my goodness.
Well, that's the double lock done.
Oh. Bum, bum, bum.
Tablets are giving us the shakes again. There we go.
What are you taking today? You haven't done them for a couple of days.
Yep. There we go. The Kyung Chang cannot beat the beef. I probably would have had it done a little quicker if it wasn't for that. That's all from us. See you next time.
Goodbye. And this one you need a lot of tension for. Oh, I thought you just unlocked it there.
I think I'm...
You haven't broke, have you?
Oh
What
no!
have you done?